Hello YouTube. So today I am going to say hello with the funky hair.
Clear? They're gonna clear the bong together.
Well, I'm gonna hit this dab.
So everybody, this is my cousin.
What up? Classy, Minnesota.
Classy.
What up?
There's a sample at the end of this video that you'll see his music. He's got a dab.
G-Pen.
And then we're gonna trade.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, Rachel just put it up with a clip, and yes, you got some cleavage for your view.
How are you doing?
Hello. So today, I'm going to try to update you guys to the best of my ability. My house is actually a little dirty today because the vacuum cleaner is broken. So I'm dealing with it to the best of my ability. I've already had some coffee today, so I'm not going to have any more because my stomach already says screw you. So we're having some lovely Canada Dry ginger ale. You saw that. Anyway, bear with the fact.
I got some dishes in the sink. It's not as bad as it has been in the past.
You guys know.
Anyway, so let me get my day going.
Try to get some windows open here. Do a vlog because it's just been so effing long. Hi everybody. So hopefully you can see me. I am dealing with a whole bunch of stuff today. My lovely cousin may have an apartment. He is looking into apartments today. I'm very happy for him on that. And itch. I got an itch. I got an itch. So it's like noon right now, and I have been up for a little while, but ow, my ankle. Cracking, things are cracking. Okay, I just need a glass. Why did I shut the cabinet? I don't know. I don't know why I shut the cabinet. Ow. So, I made some ice yesterday. Let me go ahead and put the camera down for a moment. It's not easy. Is this supposed to be easy? Not easy. Oh. Oh, that makes me feel like I'm breaking bones. Okay. I know.
I don't like the ice cream.
It just gave me the shivers. Cheers. Okay. So Kiki has made her little den, as she always does. My battery wants to die. Alright, to be continued.
Chronicles.